Okay, dear customer, today I will show you how to assemble our mountain folding bike. There are some important process we need to follow, so I will show you all the details. Make sure you won't make mistakes or fix it by the wrong way. So as you can see here, we need to fix the front wheel and also the handlebar. So what you're gonna do first, you need to rotate this one to front. Okay, make sure the front side doesn't turn also like this. Make sure the clamper for the front wheel is always on the right side. Okay, second, for fixing the handlebar, you need to remove all the screws out and put this handlebar out. Make sure it's in the center of it. Then you need to rotate the bar below like 30 to 40 degrees so you can use the brake easily and also the shifter easily. Don't make it directly straight. Okay, next you need to put the front wheel directly on the rail, so the disc should be inside the clamper and the sides. Okay, find the position to put on the side, and here make sure this line is just below the hole. Make sure this is in the center of the line is directly below the hole. Okay, next we need to fix the wheel. Make sure these two rings will not be damaged or lost, so the small parts face inside. So this one you need to insert the wheel from here. Okay, so another side here, need to fix it. Okay, make sure this is tight but not too much tight. Okay, when you lock it and align this wheel just directly. Okay, this wheel, hold this wheel directly in the center. Okay, below the hole. Then you lock. Then you lock here. You lock it. Okay. Okay, next, after we assemble the wheel, we need to fix the handlebar. As you can see here, the handlebar is very loose, so we have to tighten this screw, both of the screws. So before we tighten it, we need to make sure the line of the handlebar should be the same straight line to follow the wheels. Okay, after that, we use the tool we give it to you to tighten as much as you can on both of the sides. The tools we give it to you will be hard to tighten because it's not very long, so you need to borrow or prepare for yourself a longer Allen key, so you can make it super tight. So it will make sure when you turn the handlebar on the road, when you ride it, there won't be any easy chance to lose. Okay, if you need to adjust the clamper, you have to lose it first. So this screw and another screw here below, you must lose it so the clamper can be easy adjust in position. Okay, as you can see here, this disc and the clamper, there are space between them. So first you need to make sure this disc is not touching any of the sides. You can also see the space between all of them. So first what you need to do, you try to remove the clamper. The left side be close to the disc first. As you can see, minimize the gap between the left side to the disc. Make sure you can still see a little space. After you see that, you lock the screw, both of the screw. Okay, you lock it, you tight it. Okay, adjust it and tight it. Okay, the little space also on the side, just the left side. So after you make sure you can see space a little, but big, still big space here, gaps here. You need to adjust from this side, rotate. Okay, make it as little as you can see the gap between, okay, this side and the disc. So after you make sure both of the sides only a little space, you can stop for a while. Okay, next when you need to test by rolling the wheel. As you can see here, the disc is touching the left side, it means you need to do another precise adjust, which requires experience. Which requires really bike experience, but I'm gonna show you one or two ways so you can do it easy by your side. Okay, you need to find the exactly point, which point of the disc is touching the clamper. So after you find it, you move to the edge, you use this one, okay, to align a little bit, and do it in multiple times until whenever you roll again, there won't be any sound anymore. Okay, as you can see right now, after I made a little bit force on the disc to align, so there won't be any sound anymore when you roll the wheels. That means it's already proper adjusted, so you can just hold the brake to check if this is strong enough or not. Okay, this part is to make micro adjust between the left side clamper and the gear. If you feel like hard to align the disc very close to the left side, later you can use this one to rotate like this like this direction, to make sure as small gap as you can. If this wire is loose, you feel like when you hold the brake it's not very strong, even the gap is very small, that means this wire is not as tight as it is after you fix this part. So you need to lose this part and pull the wire and make it a little bit up and tighten it again. So make sure this wire is always tight enough when you hold the brake. Even though you don't hold, this wire should be tight. Then you follow the same process again to align until you feel the brake is strong, the wheel is moving good, and there's no any sound.